Hi, Chauncey. How are you? Oh, no.
You said you would lead the way?
This is my way.
You don't mind.
You got it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. We have a scavenger hunt, huh?
You want me to start opening doors?
Well,
The scavenger hunt says something happy, something that burns,
something happy right there.
something that burns, a
bowl.
and a lock of hair. We need to find a lock of hair.
Something happy, something that burns.
I get this. You know, that's my problem. Is I get to.
Everybody, the doctor's in. Come on through. Come back on through. Come, sit on my couch. We're just gonna have an easygoing talk, okay?
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
nothing too crazy, nothing too, mind bending. I just want to know, what's your childhood fear? Chauncey.
I felt like I got a lot out of it.
I hope that didn't frighten you too much.
No.
Let's go into your childhood memories.
I can't remember that. Welcome to Alice's bedroom.
I love it!
Look at all these gifts.
That's many people in my bedroom since college. Why is everybody so tense? What happened?
Just things and stuff.
Oh, that picture on the wall is a little weird. See, I don't know. We're all looking around. What happened?
He's right behind you. Be careful. Be careful. Stairs. Oh, it smells so good. I want to open.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Nice shot. My hands are.
Thank you for watching, and thank you to our sponsors and Patreon producers for making this video possible. Hit the subscribe button so the creepy fun never has to end. This is Hannah reminding you to keep it creepy.